If your thermostat is not showing the Wi-Fi signal, it's probably messing with your smart home vibes and making you feel stuck. First off, try restarting your router because sometimes it just needs a quick reset to clear up any connection hiccups. Then, power cycle your thermostat by turning it off, waiting for about 10 seconds, and turning it back on to refresh its connection. Make sure your thermostat is within range of your Wi-Fi router, since walls and distance can kill the signal strength. Double check that your Wi-Fi password is typed correctly on the thermostat. Typos happen all the time. If your network has multiple bands, connect the thermostat to the 2.4 GHz band because most smart thermostats don't work well on 5 GHz. Update your thermostat's firmware if you can, as outdated software might cause connectivity issues. Also, temporarily disable any firewall or parental controls on your router that could be blocking the thermostat. Lastly, if nothing seems to work, reset your thermostat to factory settings and set it up again like new. One of the biggest issues with thermostats not showing a Wi-Fi signal is being too far from the router, which makes the connection weak or drops it completely. Fix this by moving your router or adding a Wi-Fi extender. Another common problem is incorrect Wi-Fi password entry. Double-checking and retyping it carefully usually solves this. The third is outdated firmware or software glitches on the thermostat itself. Keeping it updated regularly helps avoid these frustrating bugs. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call. It also connects contractors with homeowners looking for work, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.